Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to turn on subtitles in your Disney Plus. So let's get started. This is going to be a very simple, very straightforward process, so subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. So when you go to your Disney video or movie, you will see this, right? If you hover over it or if you pause on your TV, you will see this icon right here. So go on that icon and then you will open up a menu just like this. Here you can change the audio of the movie or episode, right? So you can select English audio description, Espanol, right? Or any other language. And here you can turn on the subtitles. Right here, as you can see, you probably have your subtitles turned off. Then you can here just select the subtitles and then you will be able to go back and you will be able to see that your movie finally has subtitles. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and then you can just go back and that's it. If you want to turn it off, you go the same way and then you just turn it off. So that's pretty much it. Again, if you have any questions or concerns around this, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.